Good day, students. I hope you're all doing well today. It's me, Ma'am Sophie, and I will be your teacher for today. You know that all of the words we hear and speak are broken down into smaller chunks of sounds. Do you also know that when we blend all the sounds together, we are going to produce and say a word? That is what we call sound isolation. And what is sound isolation? Sound isolation is the ability to isolate a single sound from within a word. It also has the ability to blend individual sounds into a word. Sound isolation would help every student like you to improve your phonemic awareness. This is the ability to identify and manipulate individual sounds or phonemes in spoken words. In today's discussion, I will going to teach you on how to isolate sounds. Are you ready? I know that you're always ready. So let's start. Let's proceed on our first example. We have here the word map. The word map is made up of three different sounds. M, A, P. What is the first sound? The first sound of the word map is M. Again, M. Very good. Next, we have here example number 2. We have the word pin, and the word pin is also made up of three different sounds. P, E, N. And what is the second sound? Correct. The second sound of the word pin is E. Again, E. Excellent. Let's have our third example. We have here the word sheep. The word sheep is made up of three different sounds. Sh, E, P. What is the third sound? Very good. The third sound in the word sheep is P. Again, P. Very good. Let's proceed to our last example. We have here the word pad. And the word pad is also made up of three different sounds. P, A, T. What is the second sound? Correct. The second sound of the word pad is A. Again, A. Very good. Now, it's your turn to practice isolating sounds. For your first practice, we have the word fat. And the word fat consists of three different sounds. F, A, T. Say it again with me. F, A, T. Very good. Now, what is the first sound in the word fat? Exactly. The first sound in the word fat is F. Again, F. Excellent. Now, what are the words to have the same first sound of F? Any answer? Very good. I also have an example for a word that has the same first sound of F. The word is fan. And the word fan is also consists of three different sounds. Say it with me. N. Very good. And fan has also the first sound of F. Fan. Let's proceed to our practice number 2. We have here the word cat. And the word cat is composed of 3 different sounds. Say the sounds with me. K, T. Again. K, T. Very good. Now, what do you think is the second sound? Any guess? Very good. The second sound of the word cat is Again, Do you have any other words that has the same second sound of Anyone? If not, that's alright. I have here an example. The word is bar. The word bar is also consists of 3 different sounds. Say the sounds with me. B, Again, B, So, what is the second sound? Very good. It's a bar. As practice, we have here the word car. And the word car is composed of 3 different sounds. Say it with me. K, Again, K, What is the last sound in the word car? Excellent. The last sound or the final sound in the word car is Again, Very good. Have any other words that has the same last sound of Any guess? Nice try. I also have here an example. It's the word far. The word far is also consists of 3 different sounds. Please say it with me. F, Again, F, Its last sound is very good. Far. All did great in our discussion for today. And that's gonna be it. I hope you learned many things about sound isolation. And always practice isolating sounds, and it will help you improve your phonemic awareness. Once again, this is Ma'am Sophie, and have a great day ahead. Take care. Goodbye.